is Joern Stoever. I was working so far in Germany for SATA Canada, for SATA Germany for 11 years in the headquarters, and I'm now the new designated general manager of SATA Canada. Fix Global, Fix Auto is a global partner for us for now 5 years, and or for 4 or 5 years, yes. And we started in the motherland of Fix with SATA Canada, then expand this relationship to a global point. And so for me, being here as a new general manager at this national conference, it's great because here's the most of the franchisees, meeting franchisees and seeing what's happening in the market after such a long time. I think we had 2 great topics today. One was really the difference or the changes in the body shop, right? I mean, with electric cars, with autonomous cars coming, different structures, different materials used, and the complexity of repairs. I think it's a great topic and has to be seen by everybody who is working with body shops, doesn't matter on which side. And for sure, the search of the talents and developing talents, it's a big topic. I think after our disruptive phase in the paint industry with the introduction of the waterborne paints, I think that in our days we are really talking about process optimizations, and our paint partners are really doing great effort in still trying to squeeze out the processes and optimizing times, which is great, and where we are trying to support as much as possible. But you can see really the disruptive part on the other side of the body shop, which is mechanical and electronic, ADAS, everything what's around this, battery technology. This, I think, is really the disruptive part now, where you see that this is a heavier part for the body shops.